Hi dear, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to EA English. This is me, Imran Ali, and today we are going to learn few new words. They are really quicker one, and that would be really helpful for you. So let's get started. ये वो 11 लफ्ज़ हैं. I want to repeat now to remind you of something new. It would be really helpful for the impressive English when you want to be quicker in speaking English. You want to speak English fast. You want to be impressive in oratory and describing something really. So let's get started. The first word that I had told you a few years ago, that was gonna, that went from going to. Someone is going to do something like up to. मतलब जब कोई कुछ करने लगा हो, जैसे मैं खाना खाने लगा हूँ, मैं स्कूल की तैयारी करने लगा हूँ, सोने लगा हूँ, लिखने लगा हूँ, पानी पीने लगा हूँ, मैं बात करने लगा हूँ. So you can use gonna. How? I'm gonna drink water. I am going to drink water. Instead, you might say I'm gonna drink water. मैं उससे बात करने लगा हूँ. I'm gonna talk to him. I'm gonna talk to him. मैं उससे बात करने लगा हूँ. I'm gonna talk to him. Similarly, you might say मैं स्कूल के लिए तैयार होने लगा हूँ. It's easier to say I'm gonna get ready for the school. I'm gonna get ready for the school. And one thing more that I want to tell you, the next word, want to. When you use the word want to, why not if you try to use wanna? Because want to, wanna. It's quite easier to use this word as a informal contraction. Informal contraction mean when you cut out the word into short form, and then that word becomes definitive also, meaningful also, and it looks beautiful to speak, to use that word. Now, what I was telling you about that word, that was want to, wanna. How I would say मैं खाना खाना चाहता हूँ, मैं आपसे ये बात करना चाहता हूँ, मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. So instead of I want to meet you, I want to go there, I want to play cricket, I want to eat food, eat meal, I want to join you, you might use I wanna join you. I wanna join you, I wanna eat food, I wanna meet you, I wanna visit you, I wanna play. So this is a word that you might use. Instead of using want to, you might say wanna. The next word is give me. Give me, when you want to ask something कि मुझे दो, give me. So give me to give me. In informal contraction you can use give me. How? Give me a glass of water, give me your number, give me one reason, give me at least 1 point about it. So instead of using give me, you might use give me. And the next word, that is kind of. So kind of in English, जब हम kind and और ऐसे लफ्ज़ जो n और d पे ख़त्म होते हों या n और t पे ख़त्म होते हों, वो n के बाद वाला जो हर्फ है वो नहीं पढ़ा जाता. जैसे काइंड ऑफ के बजाय काइंड ऑफ, इसमें डी नहीं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ काइंड ऑफ यू माइट यूज काइंड ऑफ और काइंडा. इसका मतलब है कि मैं थोड़ा सा मसरूफ़ हूँ, या इसका ये भी मतलब है कि किस किस्म की चीज़ें आपके पास स्टफ़ मौजूद है. आई हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ़, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ़. मेरे पास मुख्तलिफ किस्म का स्टफ़ मौजूद है. एंड देन यू माइट यूज़ मुझे आपसे थोड़ा सा मिलना है. यहाँ तो आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते आई नीड टू मीट यू काइंडा. मैं थोड़ा सा बिजी हूँ, आई एम काइंडा बिजी, आई एम खाना बिजी. काइंडा थोड़ा सा. Okay, kind of, kinda. Even you can use kinda instead of kinda. You might use also kinda or kinda. It's your choice, but you be good in speaking when you use kinda or kinda instead of kinda. The next word is sort of. Instead of using sort of, you might say sorta. That means sort of. किस्म का. ये फिर वही आ जाता है कि मेरे पास different किस्म की stuff मौजूद है. I might use I have different sort of stuff. I have different variety of the items that I have different sort of varieties. So instead of sorta. Right. Out of यानी कि एक मिसाल से बाहर जिसकी मिसाल ना दे सकें. जैसे you are going to make appreciation of a girl, you want to praise her, you might say कि उसकी आंखें बहुत प्यारी हैं. You might say your eyes are out of this world. Your eyes are out of this world. Eyes are out of this world means कि आपकी आंखें कोई मिसाल नहीं देती, मिसाल से भी बाहर है, बेनज़ीर है आपके यहाँ, बेमिसाल है. सो आउट ऑफ. इसी तरह आप ये भी कह सकते हो मेरी कार पेट्रोल से बाहर है, यानी कि पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. माई कार रेन आउट ऑफ फ्यूल और आउट ऑफ पेट्रोल. इज इट क्लियर? सो आउट ऑफ कम होना. इंस्टेड ऑफ आउट ऑफ यू माइट से आउट ऑफ. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट इज isn't it. यानी is not it. isn't it से in it. Just say this color is beautiful, isn't it? या फिर this color is beautiful, in it, isn't it? The next word that is let me. Instead of using let me, you might use lemme. Just say let me meet you, let me tell you, let me open this, let me go. So instead of using let, you might say let me.